Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today, me and my group mates will present about data link. Let me introduce my group members. My name is Nurul Izzah Nabila binti Muhammad Nazri and my group members is Adam Amsyah bin Azhar, Nurul Amira Akila binti Khairul Nizam, Muhammad Muiz bin Basiran and Nur Farah Syahira binti Azhar. Introduction. The term data link typically refers to the second layer of the OSI model, which is a conceptual framework used to understand network interaction in several layers. The data link layer is responsible for creating a reliable link between two directly connected nodes, allowing for data to be transferred and for error detection and possible correction to occur.
Data link. Package data in frames appropriate to network transmission method. A frame is a structure package for moving data that includes not only the raw data or payload but also the senders and receivers network, address, and error checking and control information. The address tells the network where to deliver the frame, whereas the error checking and control information ensure that the frame arrives without any problem. Next, frames may be damaged as they pass through the physical layer, so the data link layer has error checking. The error checking is first, frame check sequence, second, CRC. CRC is cyclic redundancy check. Possible glut of communication request, data link layer control flow of information, allows NIC to process data without error.
Hello, my name is Adam Amsyah. So, data link. Other function of protocol for data link is first, divide data received into distinct frame for transmission in physical layer. Second, add physical addresses to the frame, such as MAC addresses like 00, 30, 48, 82, 11, BD. Next, MAC address, also known as physical address. Lastly, the data link layer in networking protocol server crucial function. It assigns unique hardware addresses to devices for identification, creates and interpret frame for transmission, manage data flow between device, detect and potentially corrects error in transmit data, control access to the communication medium, and oversees the logical link between devices. Additionally, in Ethernet network, it facilitates switching between network segments. Lastly, these functions collectively ensure efficient and reliable communication within a local network.
Hi, I am Nur Amira Akila binti Khairul Nizam. Next, for data link layer function. 1. Firming. This layer divides the data is received from the network layer into frames that are sent to the physical layer for transmission. 2. Physical addressing. Its frames are to be distributed to different systems on the network. The data link layer adds a header to the frame to define the sender or receive address. 3. Flow control. If the rate at which data is taken by the receiver is less than the rate at which is produced by the sender, then the data link layer can impose flow control. 4. Error control. By adding a trailer at the end, the data link layer ensures error detection and correction. And 5. Access control. When two or more devices are connected to the same link, data link layer protocol determines which device has control over the link at any given time.
Assalamualaikum, nama saya Muhammad Muiz bin Basiran. So ni adalah gambar NIC MAC address, gambar komponen dan NIC or network interface card is a hardware component in a computer that enables it to connect to a network, such as the internet or a local area network LAN. One important aspect of a NIC is its MAC, Media Access Control Address, which play a crucial role in computer networking fundamentals. What is a MAC address? A MAC address is a unique identifier assigned to every by each manufacturer. It is also referred to be as a hardware address to Ethernet address. MAC addresses are 48-bit alphanumeric values, typically represent as 6 pairs of hexadecimal digits. So MAC address is also filtering. Some network employ MAC address as a basic security measure. Only devices with registered MAC addresses are allowed to connect to the network. Understanding the MAC address is fundamental in networking as it helps devices communicate within the same local network segment. However, for internet communication and routing between different networks, IP addresses take precedence at the network layer. So the last one is the data link layer is further divided into two sublayers. So the first one is logical link control (LLC). It is responsible for flow control and framing. Second one is MAC, media access control. It deals with protocols for channel access. For instance, the MAC address for that Ethernet device have, which is unique identifier for network interface, comes from this sublayer. Network technologies like Ethernet, Wi-Fi and PPP operate at the data link layer. So sekian saja daripada kami dari kumpulan Bertemu dan Perpisahan dari Rusia Biasa.